Okay guys, what we're gonna do on this video is just play around with some fonts. And before I do that, this is a reminder of the last video where we made like some funky gradients and stuff. If you want to copy this, then all you need to go is go to duplicate slide. And I've heard that if you do Command D, yep, it works really well too. I'm going to pretend that I am a graphic designer and a rock band has come to me and asked me to like design a poster or business card for them or something. And I'm just going to use the name of my brother's old band, which is Divided. Yeah. Okay. They're like a really cool rock band, and I'm going to pretend I'm working for them. And I want to give them some options for fonts to use for their band. So now if I used good old, just gonna change this to black. There we go. Arial, which comes in like every it's just like the default. It's so boring, it's so basic, it's so overly used. Ugh. Okay, and I want to get some cool fonts. So now there's already they already give you plenty. Okay, and I've even already added some to my like list of fonts over the years, but I'm gonna come over here to more fonts and like I swear this is like the Mary Poppins bag of fonts, because you can scroll down and you get to the bottom and then it gets smaller, and you could scroll again and it gets to the bottom, and you can keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Okay, so what I'll do is I will look for fonts that would go great with a rock band. Okay, now Great Vibes over here, probably not, but Chunga, that kind of looks cool. So I can now click it and have a little check mark. And when I hit OK and I'm done, it'll add it to my list of fonts that I like having in my little selection. Ooh. And I'll just keep looking and looking for fonts that might look good with a rock band. This could kind of be cool. It's a little funky. And you'd actually be surprised what you can come up with. And these are the fonts that I already have. And let me see if I have any in here that would go well with it. Yeah, not yet. Just have to kind of keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. And keeping in mind the guys in the band and their personalities and stuff. That could kind of work for. See that one, Creepster? You can kind of work with that one for a font for a rock band. So we'll start with, oh, I like that one too, Electrolyze. Okay. And so what I do is I just hit my text box right there. Okay. And it came up with one for me. And then I will find some of those fonts that I just chose. And I think I'll do all caps. So Divided. And that could be kind of cool. Hit enter, maybe change my font. Which one did I like? I can't remember. I think I liked that one. Okay, and then I'll choose the third one too, and I would like present these fonts to my client. So that's how you can add more fonts to your list. And remember to choose fonts that would go well. These are display fonts, so choose fonts that would go well with the name, because a lot of times the name of something, like a business, a band, a company, you want to have a little bit of flair to it that goes along with the idea of that band or that company. These are a rock band, so I think these fonts would have worked well.